Hey folks, welcome to week number 7. Just got a few things going on. Ultimately, this week's all about peer review. So, this is one of those weeks where we've got 2 turnaround days, although there's really nothing to accomplish in the middle. Okay, so the way this is going to work, I want you to watch your week 7 video. You're doing that right now. Check your email for essay 2 peer review assignments. We're going to do peer review on this essay. I will be setting assignments out at the latest Tuesday morning. Okay, so if I haven't already done it Monday, I will send peer review assignments out Tuesday morning. If you've turned your essay in late, in other words, you didn't get it in on Monday, I will try to get the late submissions that come in between Monday and Wednesday into another peer review group. After Wednesday, I just can't. We can't do peer review at that point, so you'll just lose your peer review points, but you can still turn the final draft of the essay in. Okay. So look for peer review assignments. We're going to do these in Google Docs, so it will include a link to a Google Docs folder that has got your essay as well as the essay of your peers, and then a quick explanation as to what to do for peer review and whose essays to look at for what. Okay. There's a quick video here on how to use Google Docs. If you've never done it before, it should give you a quick explanation as to sort of how to go through the process and what to do. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory, but you might find it useful. I want you to complete peer review by Thursday, October 3rd. That means you need to do comment on each of your peers' papers in the way that you've been asked. Okay, again, pay attention to that email. I'll ask for you to do a specific thing with each essay. On Friday, October 4th, I will be coming in and doing leaving comments on your paper. So I'll come in and leave comments Friday. Hopefully I'll finish it all Friday. Possibly Saturday, a little bit Saturday morning, but my goal is to get it all done Friday. Okay? And then your papers are due on Monday, October 7th. So what you're going to have in Google Docs by the time you're done is comments from your peers, depending on the size of your group, 2, 3, or 4 peers, plus comments from me at the end, and then you can go through and make changes as you see fit. This is your paper. You do not, whoops, sorry about that. You do not have to do anything your peers suggest. They're just recommendations, and you should think about whether or not they're going to be useful. Okay? If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I am here to help.